Here we go, day 24, our very last one. I really hope that you have enjoyed these mini little videos, and here we are for Christmas Eve. So whatever you're doing this Christmas Eve, I hope that it's a good one for you all. I can see neon colours and I'm already so happy. And a little stitch marker as well. Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to do the little stitch marker first just because it's so cute. So we've got a little super glittery rainbow stitch marker. How sweet is that? So it's super glittery. Hoping that the glitter is showing up. So that's another lovely little stitch marker. And then we have got this beautiful final skein of yarn. Now this to me, I mean, I don't know, Siobhan may well correct me, but to me this looks like the double rainbow yarn, which is my favourite yarn of hers. I think I've used it for many a project and it always turns out beautifully. So it is an absolute definite neon bright. It is incredible. As I said before, the camera almost bleaches out the neonness of it. I'm totally making up words now, but that's okay, it's Christmas Eve, isn't it? So we've got the beautiful purple. We then go to the blue, which fades into the green, which is super bright, and then a little bit more green, and then through to the yellow, and that yellow, oh my goodness, it is so bright. Let me just see. No, it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So super bright yellow, and then through to the orange, and then this really neon vibrant pink. So as always, absolutely beautiful. It is so bright, I can't even tell you. Like I say, the camera doesn't actually do this one justice at all because it's almost bleaching the colours, but it is so unbelievably bright. It's absolutely amazing. So there we go. That is the end. It's Christmas Eve. We're all done. We've had 24 beautiful yarns. Let me just zoom out a smidge so that we can see. So I should probably arrange these in some sort of beautiful thing, which I may well do for Instagram later, but for now these are all of, I still love this one, it's so bright. These are all of the beautiful yarns that we have had in this advent calendar, and I can honestly say it has definitely been worth every single penny that was spent on it. I am absolutely over the moon with all of these different colourways. I cannot wait to get them all caked up so that they're ready to go, which will probably take a while. I might enlist the help of my mum to do all of these, but I am completely and utterly thrilled with what I have got here. I can't tell you, I'm so happy. And after speaking with Siobhan, she has said that it is totally fine with me to do an announcement video next year. So around the summertime when I ordered this year, next year I will be doing an announcement video to let you know that the Advent orders are open and that if you want one you need to order it then, type of thing, because they do sell out quickly. She only makes 60 of these each year, so they do sell out fast. But I'm hoping that with me doing an announcement video, anyone that wants one at least has a chance then to get one, because obviously not many of you knew that these were happening. So next year, all being well, there will be an announcement video so that you can all get your hands on something so beautiful. I'm just trying to pick out some of my favourites, but there's been so many. I've already picked out this one, but I'll pick it out again. Love that one. I loved the speckles in this one. I thought it was so unusual, very autumnal. Loved it. What else? I love this. It definitely reminds me of fruit salad. Definitely, absolutely love it. The stormy rainbow. Love it. All of the pastel ones, they just look good enough to eat. I could quite happily pop this onto the top of a cake and eat it. So I love it. I loved the blend of colours in this one. So unusual, so vibrant. Loved it. I'm going to say it about every single one. The double rainbow that we had today, one of my favourites that she does, so love that one. I loved this plain base with the beautiful speckles. I thought that was really, really nice. I could see a beautiful shawl made out of one of these, obviously a bigger one, but I think that would be amazing. But yeah, I'm not going to say it about literally all of them because you'll have all turned off otherwise. But that is it for the 2019 Siobhan's Crafts Christmas Advent Calendar. I would also like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy and hopefully peaceful Christmas. And I will see you again. I'm not sure whether it'll be between now or whether it'll be after the new year. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.